Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Summer is officially here and I am excited. Today I saw something at Michael's that really inspired these cupcakes. I saw this do-it-yourself popsicle making kit by Wilton. The contents inside basically include some candy melts, a popsicle mold, and some popsicle sticks, which allow for you to create your very own candy popsicles. And today I decided to create some popsicle cupcakes in celebration of summer and pool season. Woo! These cupcakes are super moist, super scrumptious, and the decorations on top make it look just like a popsicle cupcake. So let's begin. For the cupcake recipe, we will be using a white cupcake recipe and we will be flavoring it with some watermelon, the perfect fruit for the summer. So for this recipe, you will be needing 1 1/2 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, some watermelon flavoring, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. You will also need 1 stick of unsalted butter that is softened. Before we start the cupcakes, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're first going to start by placing our baking powder and our salt into our bowl of flour and just whisking that through until all 3 ingredients are well combined. Now in a medium bowl, you want to combine your butter and your sugar. Whisk that through until it becomes nice and fluffy. This should take about 2 minutes. At this point, you want to add 1 egg at a time, mixing in between each addition. Now for the trickiest part of this cupcake, which actually is not that tricky. You want to start by adding 1/3 of your dry ingredients. Then you want to mix it up. Add half of your milk, mix it up. Add another 1/3 of your dry, mix it up. Add the last half of your milk, mix it up. And finish off with the remainder of your dry ingredients and just mix it up. We mix our dry and wet ingredients in intervals just to ensure that the cake batter stays nice and fluffy. Now you want to add a little bit of your watermelon flavoring right into your cake batter and just mix it up one last time. I promise you, you only need a little bit because it's very strong and it smells amazing. Woo! Now that our cake batter is all finished, place some of your baking cups into your baking pan, and we're gonna fill each cupcake cavity 2/3 of the way full. I was so determined to have 12 cupcakes, but I only ended up with 11 and like 1/4 of one. So I think I may have put a little bit too much in one of my liners, but this recipe generally makes about 12 or 1 dozen cupcakes. Now place these cupcakes into your oven and these are going to bake for about 18 minutes. Now that our cupcakes are baking away in the oven, it is the perfect chance to start our candy popsicles. These are going to top off our cupcakes and make it look like popsicles are dripping into the cupcake. So what we're first going to do is melt our candy melts, and we're going to be melting them inside of our piping bag. And the easy trick is to wrap your piping bag around a large and tall glass cup. Place all of your candy melts in it, then place that into your microwave and melt it for 30 seconds. Then mix it up, then microwave it for another 20 seconds and repeat until they are completely melted. Do this for all of your colors. Once your candy melts are completely melted, you can start decorating your popsicle molds. You can place whatever colors, whatever designs, whatever you want to do. This is where creativity comes into play. This popsicle mold lets you do whatever you want with whatever colors, whatever design. You can add sprinkles. The possibilities are endless. I just went with the most basic of colors. I used the sunset colors, which include pink, orange, and yellow, and I made a few various designs using the popsicle mold. Once you fill your mold with your candy melts, just add in your popsicle sticks. I like to place my mold on top of a baking sheet, just in case the chocolate oozes off of the mold and doesn't make a mess in your fridge. Then you can just place them into your fridge and they'll harden after about 15 to 20 minutes. So our cupcakes came out of the oven. I checked to make sure that they were done by inserting a cake tester into my biggest cupcake. Once it comes out clean, then they are done. You want to cool off your cupcakes for about an hour so that the frosting doesn't ooze off when you put it on. Our popsicles came out of the fridge. They're all finished. They're super, super cute. I mean, look at this. Look at it. Anyway, so now it is time to assemble our cupcake. So you want to place a little dollop of frosting. Then you can go ahead and add a few sprinkles. Then you want to squeeze a little bit of your candy melt. Then go ahead and dip your popsicle right in, and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. This popsicle cupcake is so cute. It is perfect for any occasion, whether you're having a pool party or a party indoors. These are too cute not to try, and this is a perfect project to make with friends, family, and children. So I definitely am hoping that you guys give this recipe a try. All of the ingredients are down below. Remember to keep things simple yet elegant. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button because a lot more summer treats and desserts are coming your way. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you can stay in the loop of whenever I upload a new video. I'm ready to dig in. The cupcake itself is so flavorful. You can definitely taste the watermelon, but it's not a strong flavor, it's just mellow in the background. The cupcake is nice and airy. It's definitely moist and not dry. The buttercream is delicious. Make sure to give that recipe a try. I will leave a link down below to a video in which I make buttercream frosting from scratch. And overall, these little popsicles are so cute. And it's simply made out of candy melts, and that's it. Definitely give this a try for the summer. I hope that you guys enjoy your summer. Make sure to go swim and have some fun. You all deserve it. Bye.